Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Azim, your friend, available in a very beautiful place, a very beautiful park in a model town. Today, I'm gonna talk about some thing about yoga. That what is the benefit of the yoga and what benefit that I have achieved, what challenges that you have to face in the yoga, right? And what like physically or mentally, what benefit that you can get. As I have already told you that there are two major benefit of the yoga, right? There are many sort of the health, but two major health. The first, the yoga is very good for your physical fitness, and the second is yoga is very much good for your mental health. The amazing thing is that if you are a yogi, you experience every day a new challenge, a new experience. For example, I'm gonna share my experience with you. When I started yoga, I was not able to do a single pose, right? But now I can perform many of the tough poses. For example, if you are doing a one pose, any pose for 30 seconds, right? And after a very next day, you're gonna maintain it or a balance it for 40 seconds or for a 45 second, right? So every day you have a new challenge, you have a new thing to learn. As far as the mental health is concerned, we do a lot of breathing exercise. I love to do a Kapalbhati and Nom Vilom. What it helps the people, and it helps me to get rid of anxiety, panic attack, mood swings, or any sort of stress. So what I suggest you to do a yoga, which is very good for your mental and for your physical health. And you can see I'm available over here in the Model Town Park in the early morning, and you have to experience the like you have to experience the very good environment, very good sensation in the in of the park, right? You'll feel amazing. You can see a sunshine. You can, even it's the early morning at 6 a.m. The Fizan, my friend, will show you the few views of the park, right? You'll get the fresh oxygen. If you just come to the park every morning and you walk, at least you walk for a 10 minutes or a 15 minutes, right? If you do a yoga, it's awesome. But at least if you do a walk with bare feet every morning for 10 minutes, you'll get an amazing difference, right? You will be charged up throughout the day. So what I suggest you to focus on your health, especially for your physical and for your mental health. If you need any assistance, you can contact me on my email address, right? Or you can comment me on a below comment box, right? Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.
If you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be notified for the very next video. Thank you.